In this quick video, I'll guide you on how to adjust your font size to suit your reading preferences in seconds. Now, WhatsApp offers a built-in option to adjust your font size to ensure comfortable readability for all users. My name is Jackie, and I'll guide you through the simple steps to change your font size in your WhatsApp. So to change your font size, go to your WhatsApp, then click on the three bars in the top left. Click on your settings and click on your shortcuts. So here you find your shortcuts. Scroll down to find the ones that will enable us make our adjustments. So to decrease the text size, Control minus. To increase the text size, Control plus. To reset the text size, Control 0. So let's try it out with our text here. Control plus to increase the text size, and Control minus to decrease the text size. So Control 0 to reset your text size. So that takes it back to the default size. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Please watch out for my next video where I'll guide you on how to change your font style in your WhatsApp. Bye for now.